In this tutorial, I'll show you how to smoothly fade in text in Premiere Pro. Let's get to it. Here we are in Premiere. I have a video on the timeline just for the sake of having a background. So in order to add text, I'm going to select the type tool, click in the program manager and type something. Then I suggest you have the Essential Graphics panel enabled. Go up to Window, make sure it is checked so that you can see all of the settings of the text. Then inside of the Essential Graphics, I'm going to double click on the text that we've just made. So it is highlighted. And down here we can change the font. I'm going to make it Montserrat black. I'm going to make the text a bit bigger and align it horizontally and vertically so it is at the center of the screen. Then I'm going to select Selection Tool. Then open Effects window and search for Linear Wipe. Then drag the linear wipe to the text layer. Then head over to the Effect Controls panel, and under the linear wipe, we're going to create a keyframe for transition completion by clicking on a stopwatch, and do this at the start of the text layer, and then start increasing the transition completion. And as you do, you'll notice that the text disappears from left to right, and we want the exact opposite of that. So I'm going to set wipe angle to -90 degrees, and now the text disappears from right to left. So let's set transition completion all the way to 100. Then go forward to the point where you want the text to be fully visible. So for me, that would be 3 seconds forward, and set transition completion to 0%. Now, if we do the preview of this, we'll have a very sharp text reveal that does not look nice. So in order to make this into a smooth fade, we're going to increase the feather, and that value could be somewhere from 500 to 1000. I'm actually going to go for 750, so that should be the sweet spot. So if we preview this now, we should have a smooth fade in of the text, and we can control the timing of the animation by moving the second keyframe that is at the end. So if we move this to the left, the animation will go faster. And if we go this further to the right, the animation will be even slower. So that's how you fade in text in Premiere Pro. Thank you guys for watching.